What's up guys? Thanks for checking in with us here at UTV Source. Today we're going to be taking a good look at the GGB Exhaust Stainless Steel Trail Series Muffler. This specific unit is for 2017 to 2022 Can-Am X3 Turbo models, but its key features are similar to the company's offerings for many other popular side-by-sides. Those features include a direct bolt-on fit, a durable and good-looking stainless steel construction, a chambered muffler design that won't change tone over time, a spark arrestor, and of course optimized tone and improved performance. Now let's go a little more in depth. The GGB Stainless Trail Series Muffler is designed to provide an improved exhaust flow and tone while at the same time remaining environmentally conscious by not exceeding the 96 decibel limit outlined in many OHV laws and ordinances. Adding to that trail friendliness, these mufflers incorporate the use of a spark arrestor. This particular unit uses the OE spark arrestor, while many other GGB products may include one. The chambered design of GGB mufflers means that maintenance is almost nil. Other exhausts on the market use packing that deteriorates over time, both altering the exhaust note and requiring periodic maintenance. GGB's design produces an excellent sound that will not change over time, and the muffler doesn't need serviced outside of the occasional hardware check. Adding to the durability of this GGB exhaust is the T304 stainless steel construction. Thanks to the corrosion-resistant and high-wear properties of this material, that means your vehicle will not only sound good, but will look good for many, many miles of use. The Trail Series muffler is the perfect choice for UTV enthusiasts who ride in places with sound restrictions or spark arrestor requirements, but still want a deeper rumble and a little more oomph. So check out our site and get one for your ride today. Once again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And most importantly, always remember, life's a ride, make it your own at utvsource.com.